Hi, I'm Sunnee O'Rork, Executive Director of the i.d.e.a. Museum. We're getting closer to opening day. Before you return, we hope you have checked out our museum FAQs and new business hours on our website. We are now sharing our new protocols online. These include reduced museum capacity, social distancing, one-way routing, increased cleaning, and a mask requirement for all visitors ages 6 and over. We recommend masks for kids between 2 to 6 too. We want to encourage face covers and good hygiene for all. We've added several hand sanitizing stations and we'll be handing out individual art supplies to help us all keep the museum clean for your enjoyment. Remember, we are requiring you to reserve your time tickets online at this time. At the moment, only museum members can reserve tickets. We thank you for your patience during this unprecedented time. We'll be opening online reservations soon to our general public. Stay tuned. Can't wait to see you. Bye for now.